This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 60, Case Study II Internet of Health Things Part B. Smart grid is a vast research area that provides opportunities for further learning, and this course aimed to cover the fundamentals and implementation aspects of smart grid, introducing its architecture, definitions, case studies, and control and protection schemes while exploring AC/DC and zero smart grid concepts and analysis methods, providing a holistic understanding of smart grid concepts. India's journey in smart grid is significant, with objectives and targets set, including the execution of 3 full-scale smart grid projects worth 258 crores, a target of 40,000 MW of rooftop PV by 2022, and pilot projects incorporating AMI, PQM, outage management, load management, and distributed generators, costing 3,816 million rupees, with some ongoing under an SGEM at 5,773 million rupees, and successful implementations in Puducherry, Mysore, and Kanpur with varied functionalities. The identification of potential research areas in smart grid includes renewable energy control, SCDC grid protection, wide area monitoring, energy management, supervisory micro-nanogrids control, power flow modeling, grid operation with TSO/DSO, renewable energy and load forecasting, cybersecurity, ICT, communication technologies, interoperability validation, threat models, information privacy, and cloud computing data handling. Smart grid technologies encompass fault ride-through and converter interface to renewables, grid interfacing, islanding, and seamless transfer techniques, ancillary services and optimal converter design, multi-level converter coordination and each VDC/MVDC technologies, smart grid enablers, control, hot swap converters and standards, as well as policy, regulatory, and market design issues related to energy storage and renewables, demand-side optimization, forecasting techniques for storage and renewables, and addressing industrial challenges of stochastic renewable energy behavior, including optimal siting and sizing of energy storage across network levels, and electric vehicle integration issues for vehicle-to-grid V2G energy storage. Companies such as ABB, Accenture, Capgemini, Cisco, HCL, IBM, Infosys, and DPL, GE, Siemens, Schneider, Mahindra, and Power Grid are focusing on smart grid research, offering industry career paths and opportunities in this emerging field with potential for long-term career prospects, as many leading tech companies are actively engaged in smart grid research and development. Smart grid offers diverse research opportunities for learning, and India has executed pilot projects integrating AMI, PQM, and load management, with potential areas including renewables control, grid protection, and forecasting, and challenges such as converter interface, storage siting, and EV integration, while career prospects are available in smart grid R&D across industries. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.